Hi there, in this video I am going to talk about Mitsubishi Electric 1.5 ton inverter AC, which is launched in India in 2018 under JP series, and you can get it as low as for 46,000 at now in India. So this is the indoor unit and there is nothing fancy about it. It's just a simple, decent, elegant look with an compressor activity indicator right beside the first LED. So there are two LEDs, one showing the indoor unit and second is for the outdoor unit. So using the sound meter on my phone, I was able to record this sound produced by the indoor unit, and this is what I got. And when I keep it on the desk, this is what I get. So this indoor unit is pretty silent. You won't notice that it's working. Basic remote, there's nothing rocket science in it. The fan speed, which is currently it is in the silent mode, it has 4 speeds. The VANE can be positioned at these 6 places, and the mode is cool, fan and dry. This is the timer, so you can use it accordingly, and these are the temperature controls, and this is the on off switch. There's nothing more to say for the remote. This is the outdoor unit, and at the peak hours like 2 p.m, which is I am recording now, and inside it's running at 26 degrees Celsius, and the current speed of the fan is maximum, where you can hear just minimal noise, and when the temperature which is set is achieved, it goes even slower and the voice cannot be heard from the outdoor unit. So this is the maximum voice that you can hear when you are standing just beside the outdoor unit. So let me know what you think about this, and that was all for today, and thanks for watching.